Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today, going to give another update on Verasity. It's been a little while since I've done an update. It's one of my biggest holdings. I always spoke very fondly about this project. A lot of fun in the community. I always said that I've never had a project that causes so much divide. It's absolutely incredible. Such a strong community, are super bullish, and also you get the fudders like you get with most projects. A lot of divide. The team, to be honest, could help a lot more. I'm going to show you on X how they're going to streamline the communication, but it would help, as I said in the previous video, if they did like a monthly AMA where the team can engage with the community, we can ask the questions, and they can clarify many parts. It's a huge few months ahead for Veracity. I've always said the end of this year is huge, going into next year with the bull market, etc. It's going to be absolutely huge. I spoke before about the POV tokens, the 90 billion from VRA going to a separate blockchain on Tron. Basically, those 90 billion POV tokens completely separated from VRA. Okay, and this could be huge. Once they're actually done and sorted and that blockchain is clarified, etc., will we get an airdrop? They're talking about on Verawallet users. We'll get an airdrop of these POV tokens. Are they going to burn it? The exchange, the cost, the price, etc. So it's fascinating to see. But when they've actually divided the two and we're just left with the VRA, the 20 billion, massive, the total amount they'll ever be. Now, obviously, they're doing the constant birds as well, so that level's constantly coming down. So that's why I strongly believe in the project. I love the team. Obviously, as I said, it'd be nice to be a bit more transparent, but they've got Verawallet 2.0 coming out. Once they've sorted the POV tokens, more partnerships. Okay, so there's a lot of news coming out of Veracity. Now, one thing I've never shown before was on the basically on the F scam, which I've shown many on other different projects. Now, it's weird. I never noticed this before that KU Coin basically own 10.73%. That is absolutely huge. Okay, but there's also three other people who own basically 31%. Okay, now that's a lot. Now it's not ideal. I appreciate that. Again, when you sort the POV tokens out and the VRA, etc., the burns, it will become more prevalent about these holders and these remaining tokens. But it's not ideal. Okay. However, I'm still bullish on the project. This is actually a unique project. I spoke about Veracity so many times about the VeraViews making adverts genuine people watching them and not just fraud. They've got many parts. Talk about the veracard. Okay, the Verawallet, the 2.0 is going to be like an upgrade, more interactions with the Verawallet. Okay, so still very hopeful on this project. I just want to see the whole roadmap come together. I want to see everything working. So also got the burns, as I said. We've had the free burns already this year. Obviously, there's a lot that's already been burned. You think over 210 million burned this year alone. Okay, so it's fascinating to see the next burn. Now, the roadmap, as I showed before, basically is on the last part of this year. Verawallet 2.0 release for all users, new VRA off-ramp, and the Verawallet major improvement of communications within Verawallet. Okay, so that's really good news. Now, the big news last month was the VeraViews is officially launched in the UAE under the Ministry of Economy's Next Gen FDI initiative. This was massive news. They're basically their blockchain power platform aims to transform digital advertising by verifying the views. So the VeraViews, basically, as I said, make sure you get genuine people using it. So the UAE Ministry of Economy have actually adopted this. Now, with our global headquarters in Dubai's Media City, we're proud to contribute to making the UAE a leader in protecting the digital advertising ecosystem. Okay, now, this recent tweet as well, basically headed to Binance Blockchain Week, Dubai 2024. So basically later this week, the CEO and the CMO will be on site, meeting innovators and spreading the word on Veracity and VeraViews among the brightest minds in blockchain. So it's obviously Binance Blockchain. Now, there's been a lot of talk, rise and VRA on Binance. Me personally, I strongly believe it's because of the POV tokens. Once that's, say, separated on the Tron, and we've still got the VRA on the old Ethereum, I'm hoping Binance will list it. And this has been a lot of talk for a long while. You know, people's always say, when's VRA going to be on Binance? This is obviously massive, the fact they're attending their blockchain week. So who knows if they're going to get some big news out of it. When they attend these events, they're quite honest and transparent with latest news coming out. So again, I'm super hopeful we'll get some great news after this event. Okay, so going back to the roadmap, once you've implemented this, it's absolutely fascinating to see the 2025 roadmap when it comes out later this year, early next year, to see where they're going. Because this project, as you can see here on the roadmap, 2017. Okay, so it's a long time, isn't it? Let's be honest. That's a long time this project's been out. Now, when you go into next year, like over 8 years, it's a long time for this project to develop, and the market was very low. So, as I said, the next few months is absolutely massive. But going back, I think this was probably, as well as that other news we've had recently, I think this is one of the biggest news we've had. The fact that, you know, the UAE Ministry of Economy have adopted this. You'd hope other ministries, other economies, other countries will adopt VRA as they see it working. Again, this could be massive news, truly. Another bit of news, literally last few days, was one place for all updates for streamlined communication. Yes, I mentioned about the AMA, that'd be fantastic. What they are doing, moving forward, all X activity will operate under the Veracity account. So basically all news. You won't have to go on VeraViews or all the other comms. It will solely be Veracity Tech. So just follow them on X. You'll get the latest news. So also communications from our CMO will now be part of this streamlined approach, ensuring greater messaging alignment and consistency. Now, I don't want to be too blunt, but quite often they do this tweet where it says like GM, good morning, and that's it. That's great. However, you want to see solid news. If the AMA doesn't happen, it'd be nice if every week, every month, they give a list of the latest news on Veracity, so you've got that communication, see where the project's going, okay? I'm not being critical, it's just that what I'd love to see. So only time will tell. But just want to give this update. So Veracity SA is perfectly poised at the moment and ridiculously low price, in my opinion. As I say, it's no guarantee, obviously never financial advice, but when you go back to CoinMarketCap to see this cost, market cap is just over 19 million. The price is 0.02, just under there. You think the last bull market we have a 6.5p and it's still a work in progress project. Now the VeraViews is getting out there. Who knows this project can go? Only time will tell. It's coming back 732, so it's dropped a lot. Now, there's a lot of people on here, a lot of community. So again, I am bullish still on this project. But as I say, the next few months are very critical for this project. Get these POV tokens out. Let's really get this done. Okay. Thanks very much. And we help as usual. Email me, info@cryptostrang.com, all my social media links. But come join us in our Telegram group. It's always lovely to chat on there. And we help. Obviously, don't hesitate to reach out. So have a wonderful week ahead. Still a wonderful time to be in crypto. And these prices out there for numerous projects is fantastic for me. So time will tell how we go the next few months. So thanks very much. We will chat soon. Cheers now. Bye.